In this video, we're going to take a look at our show switch. The show switch is a four-way joystick that actually mounts to the handle of the hand control itself. As you can see, when it's mounted, it is really close to the hand during driving, which creates real easy access for the secondary functions that are built into it. As you can see from the joystick on the show switch, there are 4 arrows which indicate the 4 triggers. Usually we do 4 functions, but it can accommodate up to 6 if required. This device is configured with dimmers, horn and blinkers, and is set up for a Chrysler Pacifica. This is a great economical option that should be absolutely considered alongside or instead of something such as a signal crossover. Thank you for watching the video today on our Switch product. There are a variety of different options, so please feel free to watch all the videos in this series. You can also reach out to us here at ShowGrip or one of our local dealers for more information.